Hello and welcome to BizWatch News in 5 minutes, where we bring you Nigeria's latest business and economic news stories. My name is Kendi Victor, and here are the top stories as the week winds down. The headlines: Dangote Refinery cuts petrol price by 100 Naira to 1,075 Naira per litre. Naira strengthens as Nigeria's foreign reserves cross $50 billion. Global crypto market cap hits $2.4 trillion amid regulatory optimism. Tinubu reaffirms commitment to democracy and rule of law. Trump vows to end war soon as Iran eats ships and threatens banks. And now, the news in details. Dangote Petroleum Refinery has reduced its gantry price for premium motor spirits (PMS) by 100 Naira, lowering the ex-depot rate from 1,175 Naira to 1,075 Naira per litre in response to declining global crude oil prices. The price adjustment announced Tuesday marks the first downward revision after a series of increases recorded in recent days as volatility in international oil markets pushed replacement costs higher. Under the refinery's revised pricing template, petrol supply through its coastal distribution channel will now sell at 1,050 Naira per litre, reflecting a slightly lower rate for marine deliveries compared with loading at the refinery's gantry. The refinery also cuts the price of automotive gas oil known as diesel by 190 Naira, reducing the gantry price to 1,430 Naira per litre from 1,620 Naira previously. The Nigerian Naira strengthened sharply against the US dollar on Wednesday after the country's foreign exchange reserves climbed above $50 billion for the first time in more than 15 years, according to data published by the Central Bank of Nigeria (CBN). Official foreign exchange data shows the Naira appreciated nearly 2% to 1,376 Naira per dollar, compared with 1,401 Naira per dollar in the previous trading session. Intraday trading at the official markets reflected improved liquidity conditions, with transactions recorded at a low of 1,373 Naira and a high of 1,388 Naira per litre. The currency also gained in the parallel markets, where the Naira strengthened to around 1,393 Naira per dollar, signaling improved sentiment across both official and informal foreign exchange segments. The global cryptocurrency market capitalization climbs to about $2.4 trillion over the past 24 hours, reflecting renewed investor optimism following signals of potential regulatory clarity from the United States. Market data shows the sector expanded by 0.72% within a day, supported by improved sentiments among both institutional and retail investors. The rally gained momentum after reports circulated on March 11 suggesting that U.S. policymakers may be preparing legislation aimed at clarifying digital assets regulations, potentially reducing political and legal uncertainty surrounding the industry. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu on Wednesday reaffirmed his commitment to democratic governance and the rule of law, describing himself as a die-hard Democrat devoted to Nigeria's political stability and national unity. Tinubu made the remarks during an interfaith breaking of fast event held with leaders of the All Progressive Congress and the Inter-Party Advisory Council at the Presidential Villa in Abuja. Addressing the gathering, the president reflected on Nigeria's democratic journey and the sacrifices made by pro-democracy activists during the country's struggle for civilian rule. "I am a die-hard Democrat. I follow that belief wholeheartedly and remain committed to a united Nigeria. That principle and philosophy would live and die with me," Tinubu said.
"I'm a die-hard Democrat. And I follow that belief wholeheartedly, committed to a united country, Nigeria. That principle and that philosophy will live and die with me."
And on the global scene, suspected Iranian drones hit at least 3 ships in and around the Strait of Hormuz, continuing attacks that have paralyzed traffic through the vital shipping lane, despite a stern warning from President Trump. President Trump said that the war will end soon, whenever it decides it should, as Iran says it's ready for a long-term war of attrition that will destroy the entire American economy. Iran warned that it will start targeting US-linked banks across the Middle East on Wednesday. Iranian state media quoted Ibrahim Zolfakari, a spokesperson for the Islamic Republic's Central Military Command. Drones hit Dubai's airport, wounding 4 people, the government said, adding that the major aviation hub was still operating. The UAE said it was intercepting Iranian drones and missiles as well. And that's all we have for the week on BizWatch News in 5 minutes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with Nigeria's latest business and economic news stories. My name is Kehinde Victor, and I'll see you next week.